ukuthi ubathole mele ubashaye ngelo block and then bese usebenzisa ilokhuzana ama-troopers uthole ezithu zama-wing ezigijimayo yabona udlale exactly the way Mhlathuze bebasplanele ngakhona and then enye into ayishayile engibonayo ukuthi ibe correct for yena yile ndaba leyo ukuthi athathe i-3 ayibeke kuReal ukuthi uReal angakhona ukuphefumula because uyazi ukuthi uReal maye ngaphefumula i-engine sizoba khawadi. Unfortunately ke awuthami iplan yona begrand besize neplan egrand same plan yakhe ayijikanga ungene nge-4-3 you understand and udlale ngama-player beswafuna vele ukuthi aqale ngabo-2 abantu abanespeed abosibilibili so iplan was grand, this plan was executed right. Iflop libe yilo nje ukuthi we couldn't break ilokhuzana low block and manje labantu kwenzakalani bona mabethola ama-troopers because of besi-desperate awuthami yabona manje isikhathi seligi sisenza sibe desperate because of ama-games sewayaphela yabo so masicala siba desperate sithi sikhijimela phambili leyawuthi zikhona ukulibamba zi-intercept zilise phambili mazilisa phambili sitholakala manje sesisenkingeni and another thing awuthami mina man of the match fund akubengayigaya goalkeeper wabo because kube bekubavume yavuma ngabe ngihlaba amagoli abhaya lapha yabo but